1,000-year craft. A city ablaze with fireworks. In Luoyang, China's fireworks town, Panyuan fireworks first sparked in 2003. Technology as the brush, safety as the ink, writing a new chapter of city fireworks. A 200-acre fireworks production base, 300 standardized workshops, and a team of 30 elite professionals builds a quality fortress. 20 years, 6 tech upgrades, making every display passes safety and eco-tests. Panyuan boasts mature production and R&D. Panyuan pursues excellence, building a top-tier brand. From source control to worry-free support, Panyuan Fireworks blends value and quality. Panyuan people believe fireworks aren't just fleeting sparks, but starlight that rekindles memories.